So I'm excited for this one. Y'all ready for this?
Oh god.
Yeah, let me give it a smell.
I'm like really scared. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
And cheers.
Oh my God.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god.
Wow. That was delicious.
Welcome to Love is Blind!
Party boy Jarrette Bear is still party boy Jarrette Bear, and for him, we gotta have a shot. For Jarrette Bear, it's gonna be the chocolate snake bite. Half an ounce of brown creme de cacao, half an ounce of Bailey's, half an ounce of Kahlua, and half an ounce of Goldschlager cinnamon liqueur. And for Iyanna,
Where you from, Iyanna?
I'm Atlanta.
is screaming Georgia butter. Start off with 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of butterscotch schnapps, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, and a 1/4 ounce of pineapple juice. Chocolate snake bite for Jarrette, the screaming Georgia butter for Iyanna. Cheers and genuinely good luck to both.
Give it one more big sip. One more big sip before you review. Tell me what it tastes like. I don't like that face.
That is like old medicine that you don't want to taste as a kid. That is like, I have been home from school. My mom's giving me some Robitussin.
Robitussin.
No, you know what it tastes like? Do you know those like Harry Potter?
Jelly beans that taste whack.
Yes. Imagine popping
Wow.
all those into your mouth at once.
Like the popcorn and like the throw up and the dirt.
The Scotch one. But it tastes like if you threw a couple of the weird, all of them in your mouth and you're just like start sucking on them. That's what it tastes like.
Way too much.
Like that one bit. This one, 4.3. Sorry, Iyanna.
Wow. That was delicious. Out of this series of Love is Blind drinks, Jarrette, God bless you, because this was the best drink I've had this whole series. So
I'm happy as hell.
gut reaction, 8.1. That's my highest ranking yet. As y'all know me just throughout these last videos, I'm a tough ranker, and if you're above 8, you're doing something right. Look, I don't blame Jarrette at all for what he did. Jarrette played the field. I think he bought into the process for what it's worth. He stepped up to the plate and he shot a shot. That's all you can do, really. People want to fall and say, "Oh, well, he proposed to 2 people," but both people he met for the same amount of time in this very weird circumstance. And if you're going to get married to somebody through this process, you might as well go through with it one way or another.
Somebody was marrying him.
He was not leaving without a wife this show. What did you think? Did you think at the altar they were going to go through with it?
I definitely did.